So if you want to transfer a domain to WordPress, what you want to do essentially is they say they take 5 to 7 days. I don't know if this is a WordPress thing, but ever since I worked with domains, it doesn't take that long. It probably takes about 48 hours, which is around 2 days. This is too much. I'm thinking this is a security period, which needs to be passed. But to connect your domain, basically, first things first, you have to verify that your domain is eligible for a transfer. It has to be more than 60 days old. I'm again thinking this is a WordPress thing. I've never seen this before in my life, and it has not been transferred within the 60 days, meaning the A records have not been touched or CNAME records. And then on our list of TLD that support incoming transfer. So for example, what is TLD? It's basically this .com. It's top level domain. This is what it is. It's what it stands for. It's either .net, .org, .ai, .xyz, or whatever. Then you actually have to go to the step 2, which is adding the domain to the WordPress.com. And there's a video which you can follow, but here is a quick summary. Go over to the dashboard, navigate to the upgrades and domains, then hosting or domains if you are on the VP admin interface. If you're on the default admin interface, it's upgrade then domains. Then click add a domain and then click use domain I own, as you can see. And then on the screen, on the next screen, type the domain name you wish to transfer, then click next. You'll be asked 2 options, transfer or connect. Click select on the transfer domain, then click start. Set up confirm and button to confirm that you want to begin to start transferring. Then log into your account and start with the domain registrar website. To take following step, you have to unlock your domain, first things first, then you have to obtain the transfer code, which is all, I'm assuming, WordPress things. And then go back to the WordPress, enter the domain authorization code that you received from your domain provider, Godaddy or whatever. The code is case sensitive, so make sure to copy and paste it rather than the code manually. Make sure no additional spaces are being added. Click check readlines readiness. Check readiness for transfer button to validate the authorization code. Ensure the domain is eligible for transfer to WordPress.com. And then there's a lot of steps to complete. So let's just go over them again. I'm telling you, it's not a quick process. After you have selected your plan, you have to check your email and you have to sign up for the plan, and then check transfer status. It says in progress, and then you have all of these. It says waiting, in progress, active, and failed. I mean, they all speak for themselves. Then update the domain settings after transfer. You have to use the name servers, and then you have to use the WordPress name servers if you want to see anything displayed on the domain name. And this is what I was talking about. You have to, I'm thinking they actually have to manually do that. You don't, maybe, I don't know. I've never used it before on this platform, but you have to restore A records as well as CNAME records. But basically, once you patch these, you can point your domain to point to any server which you quite feel like. And after you've completed all of the steps, you should be good to go.